Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Nurul Zarhana Zatasha binti Mariusri dan nombor matrik saya 09DM22F1020. So, produk yang saya pilih ialah fax machine. So, introduction of fax machine. Fax, or short for facsimile, is the telephonic transmission of scanned printed material, normally to a telephone number connected to a printer or other output device. The original document is scanned with a fax machine, which processes the contents as a single fixed graphic image, converting it into a bitmap and then transmitting it through the telephone system in the form of audio frequency tones. Next, product or manufacturing system domain and concept. What is the concept of fax machine? Fax machine scans a document, treating the text and images as a single fixed graphic image and converting it into a bitmap. In this digital form, the information is transmitted as electrical signals through the public switch telephone network (PSTN) using a standard analog telephone line. Types of mechatronic device in the product. 1. Sensor. The fax machine typically has a CCD, which is charge coupled device or photodiode sensing array. It contains 1728 sensors, which is 203 pixels per inch, so it can scan an entire of the document at one time. The paper is lit by a small fluorescent tube so that the sensor has a clear view. 2. Switches. Fax switches are devices that automatically route fax, modem, or voice calls over a single phone line to the correct device. It listens for a signal, and if it is present, it routes the call to the fax machine, fax or modem, fax or printer, or other device which will receive a fax transmission. In spite of the fact that fax machine is small in appearance, yet it incorporates a large amount of electronic and mechanical components into its operation. A simplified block diagram of the fax machine is shown in the figure. Central microprocessor. It is the heart of all fax machine because it manages all the operation of the machine and coordinates the flow of data into and out of the system. The microprocessor consists of the following memories, which is ROM and RAM. ROM stores the program used to run the machine. RAM stores result of calculation, variable, system status flags, or any other information that will change regularly during normal operation. Fax modem. Fax modem generates and detects signals necessary for signal interfacing between the machine and the telephone lines. Next is control panel. It serves two functions. First, it allows the user to enter operating parameters such as date, time, print resolution, baud rate, and desired destination telephone number. Second, it displays the system status and operating parameters. For image buffer and control, when a fax machine receives data, the modem converts it into digital form, and the microprocessor, after processing it, stores the data in the image buffer memory. Then the microprocessor activates the printing circuit and the data is loaded into the print buffer where it is processed into signals for the fax machine's print mechanism. CCD, which is Charge Coupled Device Image Sensor. The document is fed into the machine. The microprocessor activates the document feeder and scanning circuits. The scanning circuits scan one line at a time using CCD contact image sensors. The line sensor delivers data to the scan controller, which processes it and then stores the image data in the image buffer memory. The microprocessor interprets this data and then transfers it to the modem. The modem then transmits the data on the telephone line. Next is thermal printer. The printer consists of thermal heads and the technique used in thermal line printing. The image is printed one line at a time into thermal paper. The thermal printing is now being replaced by electrostatic printing, the technique used in laser printers. This technique allows single sheet paper to be used, thus allowing plain paper fax machine. Here is the reason why fax machines are still relevant. 1. Almost every business use it. It also makes paperwork simpler because every single business on the planet has paperwork. Sometimes it's an epic pile of paperwork that's looked upon with dread. Anything that makes the process of sending, sorting, and keeping this paperwork organized is a useful tool for a business. Using a fax machine helps keep paperwork simple and helps create a record, so you know everything is safe and secure. Next, fax machine is more secure. It keeps legal documents more secure. This makes them popular with law enforcement services, medical providers, and those working in the legal industry. Plus, without filters like spam folders, authorities can be sure documents actually make it into the right hands. Last but not least, you can send message to incomplete addresses. One of the coolest uses of fax machine communication is sending a message without knowing many personal details. When it comes to email, you have to know every letter of the address. Get it wrong and the message won't get delivered where you want it. With a fax machine, all you have to know is the business name you are sending documents to. This information is easy to get a hold of, making faxes a great way to market your business. That's all for now. Thank you.